Hello everyone, welcome to SKS Technical Life. Today I will explain how to fill the RGPV exam form, especially for 7th semester. In this video I will explain step by step process, okay? And but if you are from any other semester like 1st to 5th or 8th semester, you can follow the same process with just a few small changes, which I will explain during the video. So let's start the video. First of all, open the Chrome browser. On Chrome browser, you have to search here on search bar RGPV student login. Okay, click on this RGPV student login. You will see a first link of RGPV student login. This is the link. You have to click on this link and open it. After opening the link, on clicking the link, you will see this page. Okay, so here you have to enter your username and password here. Username is your roll number. Okay, then here you have enter your password. After entering the password, here you enter your capture code, which is given below. Okay, then you have to click on sign in button. After clicking on signing button, you will see this type of page. Okay, so here what you have to do, you have to click on this student service option. Okay, student services option. On clicking this option, you will see this left hand side your bar. What you have to do, here you can see down here a first third option, what examination form. In this options, you select this first option in this list, which is fill exam form. Okay, on clicking on this link, you will see on right side your exam form details. Okay, so here you can see, so what you have to do now you can see your enrollment numbers, or here you can see a examination session. You don't have to do anything. Okay, there is already selected, so nothing to you have to do. Just click on search option. Okay, after clicking on search option, you can see your personal details. Okay, so you can see here the details. There is then what you have to do, you have to see your status, your current status. You can see your 7th semester. Okay, so you have to click on this select option. After clicking on this select option, your exam form will be see comes. Okay, so this is the changing point for other semester examination form fillers student. Here are so many peoples or so many students, there is no options to select any subjects, means they're already selected, but particularly 7th semester student, they have to select these two options. Okay, here big data CS 702 and CS 703. After that, what you have to do, after selecting, scroll down, and here you can see the checkbox. So click on this checkbox, and after that, final step to pay a fees, and you can see a fees, that is total fees is 1850 rupees. Okay, so now you have to click on this go for online payment. After clicking on this, you will see the payment options. So you can select any of them. Let me explain. First, you can select a debit card option, net banking, UPI or UPI QR. So here I selecting a UPI QR option. On clicking on this, you can see a QR code. So you have to just pay the amount. After that, a receipt will be come. So you can print or download it by control P. You can click a control P command, so you can download your receipt. Okay, so let me show you. After completion of payment, you can directly see this type of page, or maybe a direct Chrome page of this receipt. So you can press a control P to download this receipt. Okay, so here you have to click on print option. Okay, or you can save your file in your any folder. Okay, so this is all about how to download or how to fill the 7th semester exam form. Okay, so if you like the video, please like and subscribe the channel, and thank you.